Alrighty, lots more blanks to get through today. And the big ones will take me a while. Little ones, not sure what I'm gonna do with those. Anyway, we'll see how many we can get through today. These I may need to trim some of these smaller. These are the biggest pieces I've had yet. It's gonna be very wet. Probably just spray me with water. Alright, I'll skip past the boring bits. Got some big blanks here. I'm just turning the outside now. And I think officially this is the biggest piece, at least the largest in diameter I've had on the lathe yet. Just barely clears the lathe bed. And this is a 20-inch swing. I suppose that's a good morning's work. Some pretty cool spalting in this one. Some of them have a little bit of color here and there. Anyway, this is very nice wood. This one's huge. This is probably the heaviest piece that I've put on the lathe so far. That one's 16 inches diameter. 15. Woodturner's problems. Anyway, I'm taking a break for lunch. I'll come back and do the insides of these this afternoon. Well, that's one done. You can see how wet this wood is. Water is streaming out. A sharp tool really makes all the difference. I put a new cutter on here and it's just flying through this material, making big shavings. Alrighty, I guess that's it for today. That's a pretty good day's work. Quite pleased how these turned out. It's really nice wood. Turned really quickly once I had a sharp cutter on my tools. Quite like the spalting in this one. These will look really nice once they're done. Get a bark inclusion here. Some of them have a bit of color in there. Anyway, got lots more where this came from. I'm gonna tackle it tomorrow. And now, I gotta clean up the mess in Kami's garage.